freaking made it to the gym. I just like don't like putting my jacket and like sweats at the gym because I'm always scared people are gonna steal my stuff, even though it's like used clothes, or like I don't know, I just like don't like the thought of it. So I'm literally changing my car, but I just finished. We're gonna head out. You know it's real when they lock everything up because people are stealing everything. So I just got back from the gym. It was a really productive day. I was working out legs, but I feel like I always work out legs. Yeah, it was a really productive day. I feel like the gym, well, I made it a goal this year to go to the gym more often or more frequently, and I feel like it's really helped my mental because I just feel like I'm always anxious or like get anxiety about whatever I'm thinking about, whether it's me like overthinking about a certain situation or whatnot. Going to the gym really helps kind of decrease that in a way and makes me kind of look at certain situations in a different light where it's like, okay, it's not that serious. I love Via coffee. It's so strong, but so good. Guys, we're now taking a bit of a walk to do some errands. I need to drop off. Oh my god, I do not like pigeons and I just saw some and they were just not cute. I need to drop off some packages, sold some clothing. So heading to the post office to drop those off, and then I need to go develop some film from my camera, so I'm gonna go stop by the photo store as well. A couple of errands due today. The weather is not too bad. Thought it would be warmer, but I still have to wear my jackets. Oh my god, why is it so blurry? I don't like it. Okay, but yeah, that's a pretty nice day. I wish it was more sunny, but nonetheless, still a nice day to walk around. I need to get some movement in. Well, actually, I was gonna drive to do all these errands, but it's all pretty close to me, and might as well just walk and enjoy the weather while I can. Yeah, thank you. What is happening? This car just crashed into the gate of someone's crib. Honestly, like, I never really understand how those things happen. Like, how do you drive and then steer into like someone's gate to cause an accident? Like, shouldn't you just be going straight or like going left or right pending where you need to go and keeping your eyes on the road and not the sidewalk? I'm so confused, but I hope no one got hurt and like everyone's fine. I saw an ambulance, but I don't know. I don't know. I'm just so confused right now. That was really weird, and like, but I don't know. People need to be safe out there and be wary of where they're going, especially when they're driving. Quick update on the car. It's definitely getting towed. Oh, there's a cop. I don't know how this happened. Come on, girl. I don't know how this happened. So I just showered. I'm feeling a little bit hungry. So I'm gonna have some fried rice, leftover fried rice as a little snack that I made for dinner last night. You know, just to sustain stomach a little bit before dinner. I'm just gonna have a couple of bites. What are we making? Outfit change. Here's the final product. Okay, we're gonna do a one biter, guys. So good, so good. I love the mochi. Right? That's true. Love mochi. Good morning. I don't know why I have this like spot on my face. I just washed it, so I don't know. Anyways, I got a new matcha. This is the Ipuro tea. I forgot which one this was. The Sayaka. I'm gonna open it. So this is what it looks like. Look how green it looks. It's so vibrant. I'm excited to make matcha today. I'm probably gonna make the usual matcha with honey, and that's how I usually drink it. Sometimes I'll make a matcha latte, but we don't have milk in the house, so regular matcha will do. Okay, I realized the lighting was so trash on that side of where I was filming because put on the opposite end of the window. But anyways, this is the matcha. I'm gonna put water, whisk it, and then honey as well. All right, here's the matcha. Look how green it is. So vibrant, love it. It's actually really good. Definitely recommend. I think my next investment would just be getting a matcha whisk because I do feel like it is a little clumpy. Very good matcha.
Wow.
Alright guys, it's Sunday, aka Super Bowl Sunday. We have a couple of friends coming over. It's gonna be a good time. We have wings, pizza, and some dip that we made. So honestly, I'm excited to just eat wings, to be honest. It's gonna be a chill Sunday, and yeah, it's game day! Here we have the best cheesecake.
Like 2?
Yeah.
No.
I'm excited! Damn! Oh my god, that's insane! I absolutely love wings. I don't know why, but yo, wings are just so good. Yeah, this is honestly my 10th wing. I put that blue cheese on. Ready for this? Mukbang.
You seen this new shirt? It looks good.
So then he didn't want to finish it, so we're fine then, whatever.
So we were playing Loser Has to Buy Boba, and guess who lost by 1 friggin' point? Me. I'm so mad. I'm actually ashamed of myself. But yeah, I lost by 1 point, and now I have to get both of us boba. How sad. Honestly, I really was confident that I was gonna win, but fate said not today, sis. Good morning guys, today is Saturday. I'm actually really hyped because it's a 3-day weekend. Monday is President's Day, so I have that day off. 54 degrees, it's a little chilly compared to earlier in the week, but it's sunny, so I can't complain. Probably not gonna do much today. I have a few errands to run, gotta go to Target, pump some gas, and do all those adult things. Have a smoothie in my hand, so I'm hyped. This is a berry smoothie with frozen berries, kale, and almond milk. Sending good vibes, and we're gonna slay the day today. That's a jam. Got my body wash. I got the Method. I honestly don't know, I just got this one. But the citrus and ginger got me because I love ginger and I love a citrus scent, so went with this one and got my mouthwash. That were the two main things that I really needed to get. Of course I stopped by the snack aisle because why not? But yeah, I love me some Target. Always things to buy even though my wallet says otherwise, but
I am the one, the way your son don't need a
we're in IKEA and I got my yogurt cone. Delish. So worth $1.50. Can't go wrong.